Start over.
I didn't.
Start over here, smile. I had to have it going. Right.
So, this is Rigger and Son Racing, but my son is absent at this time. So, and we got a nail on our tire, and we're going to put a plug in there, and we don't have dikes, so you pull a nail out with a claw hammer. And your brother-in-law holds on to the flashlight so you can see what you're doing. And you got your tools, you got your plug right there, and your plug tool, and you got your rasp right here, and you got your glues right here. Set this down.
Okay. Gonna work? Suckers it or ain't it? Gonna work, or we need a dike. There she's coming.
Got it.
Whoa! That's scary.
You rasp it out real good, just like that. You leave your rasp in there. And you get your glue. Oh, it's already open. Get you a good amount of glue on there. Put your lid back on.
That don't go in easy, does it? That does that part out. It don't want to go, does it? Tough damn tire.
Yeah, it is.
Cram her down in there good. Make sure you get it all in.
It used to be a lot easier when I had muscle. And trim the excess off. Dikes work better. And now we got to get some water or spit on it. Got a big water spit.
I know, but I can get water.
Yeah.
They need to. Is that how it hangs out like that?
No, you got to trim that off.
Okay.
But
I got
that's the
something.
end of this video.
All right, I got something we
Rigger
can
and
trim
Son
that.
Racing.
Smile. Smile.
Bleeding like a stuck hog. We got to trim that off, otherwise it'll pull it out there. But I think we got it.
Okay.
But
I shut this
you need to put some air in.